state-of-the-art cloaking device.
Hey guys, look, what up? Look, this is not a picture. This is actually like the real game and stuff.
Wow,
Look,
where'd the Thunderman go?
but look, do this at your own risk. I'm telling you, look, if you don't do this at your own risk, you might get banned from Pokemon Go. That means just do this. Just remember, guys, do this at your own risk. You could get like really good Pokemon by doing this. Look. Let me see what.
Max Steps coming in.
Just think, Phoebe. The normal teen act and be born to be.
I'll tell you where I was born to be, in the driver's seat of that meat wagon. Where the keys, hey Joe?
Once you're over your evil phase, then we'll talk. Or don't.
Look, guys, I have like this side of course here. I'm sorry because it doesn't want to hear it. Whenever like something a sound like gets on my phone, Pokemon Go doesn't like do not actually get the sound anymore. So if I could catch this, yeah, if I could catch this side up. Oh, jiggle number 1, jiggle number 2, jiggle number 3. Okay, guys, bye.